Ka Business Advisory Committee BAC jong Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ha kalai phuitrik unaitung aja arpenrio kala Mynjur ka Almanak Dorbar Synrai jong yeng Dorbar thau ain ka jilla Meghalaya bagan Sdang Naduh ka arpu Tarik bat pinkut pat hadu ka arpu Tarik Nailar aja arpenrio Hagani ka jingalang laidon lang ru usimbut menteri rangba ubapet ka Parliamentary Affairs uba Preston Tinsong Unang yalam kaliang Persha u Dr. Mukul M. Sangma u Opposition Chief Whip uba Charles Pingro u Secretary ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly u Malthus S. Sangma bat kiwepat kidakon. Ulampang uloong ba ka Dorbar Synrai basan Sngi, lai Sngi on penlong yiki kam ka sarkar bat ar Sngi on penlong yiki kam jong ki private members. Halor ka jingkali ba yadei ba ka jinge penbet yakapol jong ka Dorbar, ulampang uloong ba un persyang kat bala ban ailat ya baro ki MLA, nakaliang ka sarkar bat kaliang persya, banwan ra ikimat ki bakongsan ki ba yadei ba ka jing mentoy jong ki patba.
The Meghalaya Legislative Assembly had the Business Advisory Committee meeting to chalk out the calendar for the autumn session, and today the BAC had agreed upon having a 5-day autumn session commencing from 24th of August 2026 till which is Monday, and till 28th August 2026, which is Friday. So we are going to have 5 days of autumn session, wherein there will be 3 business government business days and 2 private members business will be held. So the BAC had agreed upon, and it was attended by the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister in charge Parliamentary Affairs, Leader of the Opposition, Dr. Mukul M. Sangma, and Opposition Chief Whip, Mr. Charles Pingro. I will try my best to accommodate all the members concerned, and I will see that all members get the opportunities to express their concerns at the floor of the House.
Habatin, pej bahaki kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta ka Sngi
Lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.